Hi, I'm Marna, and I've been limping along on my sewing machine for a while now. So we went to Walmart, and I was picking out a machine. Look at my nails. That's how busy I've been around here. Never, ever, ever do I let my nails get like that. Never. I don't. It's awful. I hate it. I feel ugly. So we went to Walmart, yeah, like this, and looked at all the sewing machines. And there was one I was looking at. Darren did a review on it. This had a better review. Um, it is heavy duty. I'll be darned. I didn't notice that
Well,
before.
the
Did
metal
you?
frame is heavy duty.
Well, that's good.
Yeah, so we can drop it on somebody.
Something heavy duty. I have been offered by Darren a lot of high-end sewing machines. I watch YouTube, and I watch a lot of people that sew on YouTube, and I have noticed that if you buy an inexpensive machine, it's going to go about as far as the expensive machines before it needs repair. Well, if it needs repair, it needs repair. So if you pay $600 or $1,200 for a sewing machine, and then you have to stop and you have to send it away or take it or whatever, just buy the cheap ones. That's what I do. It's just makes more sense for me. And now it's new, and I can cuss about having to learn it. While I was there, I bought some more pens. I use a lot of pens, and because I got the cheaper machine, I went ahead and bought this Amaya Raine, who was on clearance for $15. She's coming out of there. I don't care about any of this. I wish it were an outfit. I wish that were a real skirt, and I wish she had a stand. But those things aren't happening, so I did buy her. I fear that her arm is not articulated. We'll see, but her legs are, so we'll see when we open her, and yes, we are going to open this one. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment. You can even be ugly about my nails. And subscribe.
And say a little prayer about this sewing machine.
So here's the first thing I made with my sewing machine, little pantaloons. I think they could have been shorter, but that's not the sewing machine's fault. I did have to refer to the instructions because it's different. It's like getting in someone else's car and trying to drive. It's going to take me a little bit to get used to. That's why I did the pantaloons first, and I might do another pair before I go on to something more intricate.
So you read the manual?
Well, I read parts.
Oh, okay. Still impressive.